Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need scheduled maintenance, brake repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Levittown Ford for maintenance or repairs, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers. Visit us at www.levittownford.com. While you're there, check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. Read about our award-winning service department. Like us on Facebook to find out about our specials before anyone else. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Levittown Ford is located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown, New York.